But if you were eating hot Cheetos and chicken wings and French fries Monday through Friday, your liver is screaming for help. Help, okay? Help. So use something like this, okay? Put them hot Cheetos down. Get you some of this juice. Well, let's get started. For today's juice, we're gonna be doing another recipe in our Clear Skin series. This is a series that is gonna help you get that beautiful, glowy skin from within. Even if you struggle with acne and you have scars and marks, you will notice if you consistently juice, of course your scars are not gonna disappear overnight, but you will see that glow that you start to accumulate over time. This is coming from personal experience. You can actually go back on this channel to probably the most popular video that I have. It was a juice cleanse that I did, and when I first started juicing, that's how I started. I started with the juice cleanse, and you can tell the difference from my skin then and my skin now. Now today I do have on a little bit of makeup, but I will insert some pictures of me with no makeup so you can see. I am also a licensed esthetician, and I'm also in school for nutrition. Okay, so rock with your girl. Hear me out. So today we have 2 cucumbers. This is an entire head of celery. Little tiny piece of ginger. We got some parsley. I'll show you guys. I don't know how much it is, but I'll show you when I pull it out. Then 1 green apple. These ingredients are really rich in vitamins and minerals. The benefits that these are going to offer you could potentially be increased hydration in your skin, reduced inflammation in your skin, which is big if you suffer with acne or other skin issues. They're going to help to boost your collagen production, as well as you have some natural diuretics in this recipe. Celery and cucumber are natural diuretics, and what that means is it's going to help you flush out the toxins. And I know people get their panties in a bunch when they hear about the word detox or cleanse, but what a natural diuretic does is it helps to aid in your gut health, which in turn does help your digestion improve, so that does clear out the toxins in your body. So your liver is already detoxifying your body, but if you were eating hot Cheetos and chicken wings and French fries Monday through Friday, your liver is screaming for help. Help, okay? Help. So use something like this, okay? Put them hot Cheetos down. Get you some of this juice. Let's get started. Alright, so obviously my juicer got some stuff in it already. I done made about 6-7 juices today. I just keep changing clothes. I won't lie. So the juicer, yes, is a little bit dirty, but it's all good. It's from today. Here's our ginger. Let's go ahead and put our parsley in next. This is what we have. I don't know how much it is. Just grab some off. And you can be generous with your herbs because they don't produce much of any juice, okay? Our apple, I'm not gonna core it just because I don't feel like it. I don't feel like busting that cutting board back out, and I don't feel like getting my apple core back out, and it's only 1 apple, so. All right, let's go ahead and do that. I think parsley smells so good when it's juiced. Parsley and mint. I love mint in my juices. We are, of course, using our J2 juicer today by Namawell. You can check out the link in the description. There will be a discount code included, CAIRA10, so you can get $55 off of your juicer. This made more than I was thinking, which is a good thing. I'm not upset. I'm just gonna fill up the whole jar. So we got about 40 ounces of juice out of this. All right, let's do a little taste test. You know, if there was some tomatoes in here, this would taste like a V8. Like a lighter, a thinner version of a V8, but this is actually really good. So that is all for today's juice recipe. Make sure that you are subscribed so you do not miss any of these recipes in our Clear Skin series or any of the other wonderful juices that I make here on this channel. And I'll see you for the next video.